Hey, today we're going to play the Sharper Image Augmented Reality Laser Game. This is a virtual reality game. Lots of fun. Here we are. Be sure your Bluetooth on your phone's turned on so it'll find the gun. There you are. AR gun app right there. It's loading the app. By the way, be sure your phone's charged up. Mine tends to slow down as battery runs down, so... Okay, looking for the gun. See the bottom there where the gun's revolving and all? It's looking for the gun. Sometimes you squeeze the trigger and it finds it. There it is. See, it gets solid. It found it. There's your games. Up in the top right, see that AR gun? Right there. Press that button. See the background change? Let's go find the game. How about that one? I am a Sniper 1. There it is. Loading the game. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Fire a shot. I think it's time to start turning around with the virtual reality. Here we go. There's a sniper, or guy we're going to shoot. Get him, sniper, get him. A little hard to hit that far away. Ooh, look at the graphics on that. It's pretty good, wasn't it? When you do hit him. There's some more of those guys. Let's move around. See how you move the gun and it moves the screen? Oh, there's another one back over there. Let's get him. Put that white dot over him. Pow. I'm not a very good shot from this distance. I guess snipers have to be, though. Oh, see, he's shooting back at us, isn't he? There's a group of them. We ought to be able to hit him. There we go. I'll be able to hit one of them out of there. Got that guy too. I'm not a very good shot, am I? If you want to see some more of these games, leave me a comment and I'll get some more of them up here. When you're through, see that red arrow up in the top left? Press that arrow. You want to quit the game? Yes. And it goes back to the main screen, where you can go back to your phone or load another game, whatever you want to do. We're going to go back to the phone. Hope you like this game. $10 and a free app. It's a good game. Back to the phone. If you want, leave us a comment. We'll get some more up here. See you next time.